So guys, today I wanted to show you something I noticed when I removed the strut bar. Now I put the strut bar on and never really messed with it after that. But I want to show you something. If you can see right there, I'll turn the light on so you can see it. Okay, you see right there? It started chipping the paint. And it keeps flaking off here. So not a major thing, but what it does tell you is that bar does shift around. And I had this thing torqued down to spec on top of that. So kind of unnerving, you know, knowing that that bar is supposed to be tight on there on the strut mounts there to hold it all in place, but it's showing you that that bar does pivot around. You know, it's not on this side, and I checked the torque is where it was supposed to be, but by it doing that, it's shifting off, which is pulling the paint. So I just want to share that with you guys. You guys want to maybe check yours if you guys are running that and see if it's doing the same thing. Check the torque. I mean, it shouldn't have to be torqued more than what spec is. So a little concerning to see. It makes me kind of realize that the strut bar mod is kind of more for looks than anything else. Since if it moves around like that, it's not really doing anything to hold anything together. So just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.